So hello students, and one more typical problem on it, the same line problem. The top view of the line, look at here, the word is very clear, the top view of the line CD, the line name is given as CD. The top view length is given, that is 80 mm, and makes 30 degree with the horizontal. Horizontal means not the horizontal plane, this is horizontal, that means the XY. The end C is in VP and 52 mm above HP. The end D is in HP. Draw the project. This is the 5 values are given. Draw the projection of the line. Find the true length and true inclination with the HP and VP. So this is what we need to do it. So we can solve the problem roughly first. So first we know to draw whatever it is, the XY line, we need to draw it, and then we can draw the one end projection line. And here it is given as the top view line length is given. The top view line length is given, that is 80 mm, and makes 30 degree with the horizontal. Okay, leave it. Next, the end C is in VP. So here this is in VP, C. And 52 mm above HP. And 52 mm, so here you can measure, this is 52 mm above HP. This is 52 and this value is 0. Here this is C dash. Now you can make a 30 degree inclination line with a length of 80 mm. 30 degree and this is 80 mm. So here you can count the data 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 data we have plotted. And next it is given as the end D is in HP. So we can see. So here we got another one end. For this end we can draw the locus here. Here already in the XY line itself another locus is there. Okay, and here this is the starting point locus, and the end point locus we need to find. How to find the end point locus? It is the end is in D. So here in the XY line itself it will be plotted. So here we know always the end projector's line will be parallel. So we can draw a parallel line. So here this is D dash. So you can connect these two. So here these are the two view lines. So we got the two view lines here. So whatever the data given, we have plotted here. Next, once the view line is given, means we can start with a arc, then a straight line. So first arc is to the same starting point locus. Keeping this as a center and this distance as radius, we can draw the arc to the same starting point locus and to the next view's endpoint locus. Which one is the next view endpoint locus? The same point itself here in this problem, the endpoint locus. So we can connect. So here this will be the true length. And coming to this front view, here keeping this as center and this distance is radius, we can draw the arc like this. Then you can draw the straight line up to the next views, endpoint locus. Here this is the endpoint locus. You can connect it. So this is the line problem. So roughly we have seen. So we can try to solve this. First, I already told to draw the XY line. So here we can draw the XY line like this. VP, HP, X, and we can identify the one end. So for this one end, I will draw the perpendicular lines. Look at here how fast I am drawing. This is by practice. You need to make it. So here I have by roughly we have seen the above is 52 mm above. So we can mark it here, and one end is another here itself. This is C and this is C dash. So for both the points we can draw the locus. Here already it is in the XY line, so there is no need. So here for this I can draw the locus. Right, we have drawn. And next, it is given as 80 mm long and 30 degree inclination, the top view length. 80 mm length, 30 degree inclination. So for here I am just drawing. $80 I'll draw it here. So this is 80 mm. So for this also I can draw the locus. I'll draw the locus on it. Next, I'm just drawing the parallel lines. The end projectors will be always parallel. I'll just draw the parallel lines here. So this is D dash and this is D. CD and C dash, D dash. Now I can able to connect this also. So these two lines are the view lines here now. These two lines are the view lines. Now by taking your compass, I already explained. So keeping this as a center and this distance as radius, I will just draw the arc like this. Now the same point will be the true length point. So this is D1 dash. Again this is D1. So both the points are at the same point. Now by taking your compass, keeping this as the center and this distance as radius, now we can draw the arc. And again I can draw so this new point will be the another true length value. So when you measure both the length means both will be same. So this is exactly 9.6 and here this value is also 9.6. So here our problem is exactly correct. So here I can say this is D2 and this is D1 dash and this is D1. Okay, now we can make the dimensioning. The dimensioning is, so this one already it is given, it is 52 and next this value is 30 degree and this value is look at here how I am making the dimensioning 80 mm and this is 0, this is 80, 30 and 52 and this is 0. So totally 5 data we have plotted. And next thing is we need to measure the true length and the true inclinations theta and pi. So how to measure it means here already we measured this is 96, true length is 96 mm and taking your protractor, keep it here. This is 30, 32. This angle is theta equal to 32 degree and this is 24. degree and this is 24 degree. So this is a way to solve this problem. So anyhow the question is given as somewhat typical. So just read the question properly and you can able to answer. Thank you.